It's a measure of India's love affair with the automobile that would-be customers like Jimmy Chawla are still looking to buy, even as the economic downturn has made purchasing a car in this country a lot more difficult.
There's no finance at this time. It's too high because of the broken stock market. So that's why I'll pay cash.
This Maruti Suzuki dealership has had sluggish sales, down 20% from last year. There was hope they would rise now in the lead up to Diwali, the traditional buying season for the country's Hindu majority. But sales teams are having to work double time to try and meet their targets, and coming up short because banks are either refusing to finance sales or are charging interest rates of up to 16%, double what they were a year ago.
Very honest, it's not a rosier picture, as I said to you. The rejection rate is quite high. So banks have become quite choosy. Obviously, they are also right in their own aspects. So that's one of the major reasons that there's a little liquidity issues or the financing issues.
India's economy has been racing along at over 8% annual growth. Now, though, there's deep worry that it could all grind to a halt because many banks are refusing to loan money to one another, let alone businesses and consumers, all out of a fear they might not be repaid. India's Reserve Bank is trying to ease the crisis, reducing the amount financial institutions must keep on deposit and loaning them funds at reduced rates.
We are working on more measures that will infuse liquidity, make credit intermediation smoother, and increase the confidence of depositors and investors.
So far, though, that money doesn't seem to be trickling down to consumers like Jimmy Chawla. If he wants that $14,000 car, he's going to have to dig deep into his own pockets. Matt McClure, Al Jazeera, Delhi.